guys, I am Mehak of class 8th of Gilitra School. I am here to show you an experiment which shows air exert pressure. I am taking a bottle and putting a balloon in it and covering its mouth by balloon like this. Now I am trying to inflate this balloon. It is not inflating. Why it is not inflating? Because in the bottle there is air and air occupies space and weight. See, in this bottle I have taken same size balloon and put a balloon inside it and do like previous bottle. Now see, I have put this balloon at the neck of bottle. Now I am trying to blow this balloon. It is blowing. Why it is blowing? In your mind now the question will appear that this is small bottle and this is a big bottle. No, this is not reason. This is reason that it have hole, and when I inflate this balloon, the air rushes out from the hole, and when I put my thumb at hole, see what happened. See, it is not shrink. Why it is not shrinking? Because I have put my thumb at the hole, and if I put my thumb at hole, the air can't enter the bottle, and the air which is present inside the bottle that cannot rush out. So now I will show you the phenomena, the fun activity. See, I have this same as these. Now I am, see this bottle firstly. In this bottle I have balloon inside it. It is full of water. You can hear the voice of water. How I can put this in the bottle? How I can put? See, now I will show you how I put the. It is flexible because it has water. It is not going inside. Why it is not going inside? Because it is so big, and in the mouth of the bottle is small. Now we can put the water balloon into in like this method. Firstly, put the balloon in the bottle and cover its lid. Like this. Now pour some water into. Now firstly inflate this balloon and put, when you inflated this balloon, put your thumb at the hole. Now fill water with the help of an adult. I am filling the water into the balloon. Now put the finger inside the hole and leave that the thumb from hole and the help of adult to open the knob of this. It will take some time because there is atmospheric pressure. See, I have taken this. Now tie it up. Leave your hand and tie it up. See, the balloon is in the bottle. So this is my experiment